What's going on, guys? KWolfe back with another video, a midweek update as we head into the weekend. A lot of racing going on this weekend, a lot of action from across the board. Supercross back this weekend after the weekend off. Foxborough, Massachusetts, Gillette Stadium. East Coast Racing is back in action, so McAdoo, Deegan, those boys, Vial, Pierce, Brown, they're all back in this weekend. McAdoo with a 2-point lead over Tom Vial with 4 races left. 2 of those are East-West combination races, the first one being next weekend in Nashville, Tennessee. So there's going to be a lot of storylines developing in that East Coast division, especially, like I said, 2 combination races, the showdown races, Nashville and Salt Lake. Anything could happen. The West is pretty much on lock with Levi Kitchen. Not on lock. I mean, anything could happen, obviously, but he's in control. East is still up in the air, obviously, with 4 races left, and it's only a 2-point advantage for Cameron McAdoo. Forkner might be coming back. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to be Nashville next weekend. There's rumors that he's coming back, but it's nothing official, nothing concrete. Like I said, rumors, but no timetable or anything like that. So since it'll be interesting to see, if he comes back, where he would slot in to disrupt a little bit of points for some of the guys possibly. But definitely an interesting storyline moving forward, if anything develops further from that. 450 class, it's all Jet Lawrence right now. However, after the collision with Barsha that I hit on a couple of times right after St. Louis, 7-point lead. Not a whole lot. Cooper Webb is coming. Tomac is starting to find his groove. He finally gets a win. Kenny is still right there. Despite the bike problems in St. Louis, he's still right there to get a possible second victory of the year. Plessinger, he's been having some issues lately, but he's still there in the mix. So it's anybody's game right now. A lot of the guys, a lot of the 450 guys, and some of the 250 guys have been testing outdoors recently. So that's starting to pop up. You see videos from them on social media. You saw the big one from Chase Sexton last week where he was doing some outdoor testing on the big number 4 KTM. A lot of racing action. There's still 5 rounds left for the 450s, and it's anybody's race right now for that title, especially after, like I said, the incident in St. Louis between Jet and Barsha. Other racing across the United States, GNCC, round number 5, new venue, brand new. We're going back to Tennessee for the first time since 2015, I believe, or 2014. To Tennessee, like I said, the old gray Tennessee in Monterey, Tennessee, right next to Cookeville. Brand new facility. It's a concert facility. They've had big events there in the past. Huge area. Going to be technical. Going to be a lot of rocks. Similar to what we see. A snowshoe. Probably not as bad, I would say, but more typical to like a mountain ridge up in Pennsylvania that we went to in years past. Kind of technical, rocky sections, but should be a great venue. A lot of rain, about 2 inches of rain, give or take, hitting the area as of this recording right now. Yesterday, Wednesday, a little bit going into Friday morning tomorrow, so that could make things interesting. But right now, it's all Johnny Gerard. Stu Baylor is still right there. The previous round winner at Camp Coker, Dante Oliveira, he will not be in action. The NGPC series is racing in the West Coast, so he will be racing that, or it might be an AMA West Hare Scramble. I didn't look at the schedules. But either way, Dante Oliveira, the previous round's winner, will not be in attendance, so it's going to be between Gerard, Baylor, Ricky Russell, Craig DeLong, the defending champion, still looking for a good podium finish to start the year. 2022 champion Jordan Ashburn, he's still right in the mix, so it's going to be a good fight, and it's a brand new facility. Everyone's excited about it, and it's going to be a great weekend of racing. Central time zone, so an hour behind East Coast as far as the live coverage on Saturday and Sunday for the ATVs and the bikes. So 2 o'clock East Coast on Sunday for the motorcycle action. Across the world, round number 2 of the EnduroGP World Championship season. It's in Portugal once again, in a different region of Portugal. Saturday and Sunday racing. Hopefully to have some more coverage of that for you guys. A lot of heavy hitters in that one. And if you happen to see the last video, if you didn't see it, I'll link it up right here. A lot of things different in that National Enduro Series compared to how it is with the National Enduro Championship over here in the United States. We've got in the U.S. Enduro Series here, we have, the NE Pro 1, the NE Pro 2, AA, and then your A classes. Over there in the World Championships, they've got Enduro 1, Enduro 2, Enduro 3. it's all split up. So all those top guys in those classes really, if it was the same format as the U.S. Enduro Series, would be in the same grouping. Maybe if they did just a 1 and a 2 class, it'd be a difference. The main thing being it's bike size over there compared to experience level over here for the U.S. Series. That is all based on engine size. So that's why everything is so spread out. However, they do all combine for the overall championship, just like it does over here. After round 1, the first 2 days of racing, 2 Enduro 1 guys are on top of the overall standings with an Enduro 3 guy in 3rd overall, and then it gets mixed up between the rest of the 1, 2, and 3 guys back there. Also, over in the World Championships, they have their youth and they have their junior. And the junior is the 23 and under. So that's why that is so significant for the ISDE later this year in October. If you guys start to follow along EnduroGP.com on their website, look for those junior riders, because those are the ones that are going to be fighting for the junior classification standings once we get to Spain this October. So like I said, to wrap this up, a lot of racing action to cover. I'm hoping to cover all of it by the time next week is over. GNCC, Foxborough Supercross, EnduroGP, it's all on the table, all exciting racing. A lot of racing action to follow, but I thank you guys for watching this update, and I'll see you on the next one.